What if I told you that a 3-digit number is silently controlling your entire financial life right now? Your ability to buy a home, your ability to get a car loan, your ability to qualify for a credit card with real benefits, even your ability to rent an apartment or get certain jobs. That 3-digit number is your credit score. And right now, millions of Americans are making the same 5 mistakes that are destroying their credit score without even knowing it. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly what those 5 mistakes are and exactly how to fix every single one of them. Stay with me because this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. Let me start by telling you why your credit score matters more than most people realize. A good credit score of 740 or above can save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Here is a real example. 2 people both take out a $300,000 home mortgage. Person A has a credit score of 760. They get an interest rate of 6.5%. Monthly payment around $1,896. Person B has a credit score of 620. They get an interest rate of 8.5%. Monthly payment around $2,307. That is a difference of $411 every single month. Over 30 years, that is $147,960 extra dollars paid. Same house, same loan amount, just a different credit score. Your credit score is not just a number. It is a financial superpower when it is high and a financial anchor when it is low. So let us talk about the 5 mistakes that are holding your score back right now. Mistake number 1, paying your bills late. This is the single biggest credit score killer, and it is completely avoidable. Your payment history makes up 35% of your total credit score. That is more than any other factor. One single late payment can drop your credit score by 50 to 100 points overnight. And here is what most people do not know. A late payment stays on your credit report for 7 years. 7 years of damage from one missed payment. The fix. Set up automatic payments for every single bill immediately. Your credit cards, your utilities, your phone bill, everything. Even if you can only afford the minimum payment right now, that is completely fine. Just make sure something is paid on time every single month. No late payments equals 35% of your score protected. Simple as that. Mistake number 2, using too much of your available credit. This is called your credit utilization ratio, and it makes up 30% of your credit score. Here is how it works. If you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and you have a $900 balance on it, your utilization is 90%. That is destroying your credit score. The rule that most financial experts agree on is to keep your credit utilization below 30% at all times. Ideally, below 10% for the best possible score. The fix. Option 1. Pay down your credit card balances as fast as possible. Option 2. Call your credit card company and ask for a credit limit increase. If your limit goes from $1,000 to $2,000 and your balance stays the same, your utilization instantly drops in half. Option 3. Make multiple payments per month instead of one. Pay a little bit every 2 weeks instead of waiting for the due date. Lower utilization equals higher score, every single time. Mistake number 3, closing old credit cards. This is one of the most common mistakes people make because it actually seems like the responsible thing to do. You pay off a credit card and you think closing it will help your credit. It actually does the opposite. Here is why. 15% of your credit score is based on the length of your credit history. The longer your accounts have been open, the better your score. When you close an old credit card, 2 things happen that hurt your score. Number 1, you lose that account's age from your credit history. Number 2, you lose that card's credit limit, which increases your overall utilization ratio. The fix. Keep your oldest credit cards open, even if you do not use them regularly. Use them once every few months for a small purchase like a coffee or a tank of gas, and then pay it off immediately. This keeps the account active and protects your credit history length without costing you anything. Mistake number 4, Applying for too much credit at once. Every time you apply for a new credit card, a new loan, or a new line of credit, the lender does what is called a hard inquiry on your credit report. Each hard inquiry drops your credit score by 5 to 10 points. 1 or 2 is not a big deal, but if you apply for multiple cards or loans in a short period of time, it sends a red flag to lenders. It signals that you might be desperate for credit or in financial trouble. 10% of your credit score is based on new credit applications. The fix. Only apply for new credit when you absolutely need it. Space out your applications by at least 6 months whenever possible. And before applying, always check if the lender offers a pre-qualification option. Pre-qualification uses a soft inquiry which does not affect your credit score at all. Smart applications equal a protected score. Mistake number 5. Never checking your credit report for errors. This one shocks most people when they hear it for the first time. According to the Federal Trade Commission, 1 in 5 Americans has an error on their credit report. That means 20% of people are being penalized for mistakes they did not even make. Wrong account information, accounts that do not belong to you, late payments that were actually paid on time, old debts that should have been removed. These errors can be dragging your score down by 50 to 100 points right now, and you do not even know it. The fix. Go to annualcreditreport.com right now. This is the only federally authorized website where you can get your free credit report from all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Check each report carefully for any accounts or information that looks wrong. If you find an error, file a dispute directly with the credit bureau online. They are legally required to investigate within 30 days. One corrected error can boost your score by 50 to 100 points instantly. Now let me give you 3 bonus tips to boost your credit score even faster. Bonus tip 1. Become an authorized user on someone else's account. If you have a family member or trusted friend with a long credit history and low utilization, ask them to add you as an authorized user on their card. You do not even need to use the card. Their positive history gets added to your credit report immediately. Bonus tip 2. Use a secured credit card if you are building credit from scratch. A secured card requires a small deposit, usually $200 to $500, which becomes your credit limit. Use it for small purchases every month and pay it off in full. Within 6 to 12 months, you will have a solid credit foundation. Bonus tip 3. Sign up for Experian Boost. This is a free service that adds your utility bills, phone bills, and even Netflix payments to your credit report. Many people see an instant score increase of 10 to 20 points just from signing up. Alright, let us recap the 5 credit score mistakes you need to stop making right now. Mistake 1. Paying your bills late. Fix it by setting up automatic payments today. Mistake 2. High credit utilization. Fix it by keeping balances below 30%. Mistake 3. Closing old credit cards. Fix it by keeping them open and using them occasionally. Mistake 4. Applying for too much credit. Fix it by spacing out applications by 6 months. Mistake 5. Never checking your credit report. Fix it by going to annualcreditreport.com right now and looking for errors. Your credit score is not fixed. It is a living number that responds to your behavior every single month. Start fixing these mistakes today and you will see your score climbing within 30 to 60 days. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is your current credit score range and what is your goal score? I read every single comment and I will personally reply to as many as I can. If this video gave you real value, hit that like button right now. And if you are serious about building a powerful financial future, subscribe to Wealth Vantage. Every single week we bring you simple, actionable money strategies that actually work in the real world. Your financial future starts with one decision. Make that decision today. Stay wealthy, stay smart, stay elite. See you in the next one.